Whole crypto world is shaking right now, but that only means that we have a lot of opportunities, and let's take advantage of those. Pay close attention and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So let's get that money, guys. Just look at this website, freecash.com. Just remember it, you will need it. Freecash.com on Trustpilot, 16,000 reviews, and they've got 4.6 out of 5 now. How crazy is that? Perfectly rated, and it's very easy to get started with this. Just go and make yourself an account. Email address is all that you need. And of course, you can get some PayPal cash. But look at this, if you click here on cash out, there is crypto as well. There are some gift cards and Amazon gift cards and withdraw skins for games, but crypto is what we need. We need ETH, we need BNB, we need Dogecoin, but most of all, guys, today we need SHIBA INU. It's a good price nowadays. You can see the graph here, it's looking nice. But remember, guys, you have to take care of this. Always look for the long term. Just look at how green all is it now. And trust me, guys, this website is gonna make you a lot of it. There are chances out there, you just have to grab it. When you take a look at the main page of this website, you will see, guys, that average money earned by users yesterday is $18. So someone made $1, someone made $200. This is an average amount, and this is how much you can do in only one day. But in fact, you don't need a whole day for it. Just look at this, 17 minutes and 16 seconds, guys. That's the time. That's the average time until user makes his first cash out on this website. Now, how cool is this actually? All these people on this website on Trustpilot says is excellent. It is excellent for them. They have a lot of money to be made, and you can do all those offers, you can do all those surveys, you can do everything there and get a lot of money just if you are patient enough. And you have to get paid, but you have to stay positive. Be positive, guys. If you are repeating really damaging phrases to yourself, your brain is just seeking out confirmation of your beliefs. So it's gonna limit your opportunities that you see because you have told your mind that you are broke, that you are poor, that money is the root of all evil. Your brain, again, is simply responding to the commands that you are giving it. You are in control, so take that wheel and steer it. Go and make some money, guys. This website offers you the opportunity. And just look at this. If you go on Earn section, you will see that there are countless offers here, countless featured offers, offer walls, which are really popular. You have AdGame Media, AdGem, Offer Toro, and there are countless surveys as well, and you can take advantage of all of this, exactly like these people are doing it. If they do it, why don't you as well? And just take a look at this, guys. If you are active enough, if you go on these leaderboards, you will find that these people are rewarding the most active users on the website. So they are giving out $500 to be split out to first 220 people. Now that's a lot of money, guys. So in fact, you don't have to be first placed here. You can just be in the first 250 and you'll get a piece of this cake. That's how good free cash is. And just look at this, it doesn't stop here. There is a 2.5 thousand monthly reward for you if you are the most active one during 1 month. So I don't know, what are you waiting for, guys? This is the action that we were waiting for. They are just rewarding your activity. So if you are patient enough, if you do these offers, if you go on this Earn section and do all of these offers, and during 1 month you are the most active one, well, then you are getting that reward. And look at this, guys, rewards are everywhere on this website. They have this daily bonus ladder, they have this 7-day streak rewards, and they have a lot more, guys. Of course, you can involve yourself in this affiliate program and get 5% of whatever people are getting. You can see I have 404 users right now, and they are making me some passive income. And we love passive income, guys, don't we? Of course we love it. You do nothing and you get money. And that's exactly what these people are offering. Now, once you're satisfied with the amount of money that you've got on this website, you can go on this section here. You just click on here and you go on profile. Here you see various information, but you're going to click on withdrawals, and here you can see my completed ones. So if you want some more cash for yourself, just go on cash out and choose a currency here. Remember, guys, you can always switch that currency. For example, you use this Exodus wallet, and then you can switch to another currency of your choice. You can see a lot of them are here for no fees at all. There is also this Trust Wallet, which I really like, but of course you can use Coinbase. I like Trust Wallet because it has almost 1 million ratings and they've got 4.5 out of 5, which is pretty excellent. I can't believe this. It is really good. But so is this one. But whichever one you choose, it's just important that you have one and that you can get this to your wallet. So here, you can get paid in Bitcoin, for example, and later transfer that to SHIBA INU. This is my address. You're just gonna paste it in here, and then you're just gonna enter the amount that you want. That's how easy it is, guys. It's gonna be there in 1 hour. And guys, you also have this chat window here, so you can find some friends. You can do offers all together. You can get together and do these offers, so it's gonna be more fun. They also got this support here, so if you run into any problems, they're happy to help. All in all, I just love this website. It gives a lot of money, and you can get a lot by just being patient and just being hard worker. Nothing is gonna come on its own, guys. You have to work for it, and this is not some kind of a work. You just go and click with your mouse. Come on, what are we talking about, really? All these people know it. All they know that they get money for basically doing nothing. Make yourself a coffee and do these offers, and it's gonna get you loaded. And after you do the right thing, then I want you to go and do the next thing. Go on nexo.io. Go there, make yourself an account. You have a chance of winning $150 in Bitcoin, but you can forget about it. This is what we are interested in, guys. 16% on your crypto if you stake it here. Annual interest is 16%, but you can get paid out daily, guys. Now, how amazing is that? You don't have to wait for a whole year to pass. You can just get them money instantly. And guys, if you click here on Earn section, you will know everything that you need to know about it, guys. 16% on your crypto. I mean, it's better than hanging out in your wallet, right? I don't know. There isn't any better option to do with your crypto at this very moment apart from staking it. And nexo.io has a lot of yield in it. And guys, you can find a lot about it on web. You can see the next big business in crypto is staking. The future of the staking economy. Coinbase has a lot of articles on it. And everyone is telling you about it. Everyone is talking about it. The next big business in crypto is staking according to a top expert. There are a lot of people doing it, but trust me, nexo.io kills the business. They rock proof of stake. There is no one better. Actually, there is no one better. And you have to be the future. Nexo.io is gonna help you. Even Trustpilot says that it's great. People are truly satisfied. 9,000 reviews and they've got 4.5 out of 5. It's amazing. Staking is really the future, guys. It is the future. And just look at these reviews, guys. Just look at these reviews. People are constantly giving out good reviews for this website. Nexo.io is legit as hell. My advice: go out there, get yourself some crypto, and then stake it. Catch you later, guys.